So this time around, we are not given a table of value. We're given the graph of a function that is, and you can see by looking at this function, it's not a linear function. It's not a straight line. But we're going to find the average rate of change on the interval from x equals 0 to x equals 2. And on that interval, we actually do have a line, don't we? So as we look at the two order pairs, 0, 4, and the other order pair 2, 0, this function is linear between those two order pairs. So we can actually use the graph here to count the slope, and it is a decreasing slope, so the rise over run, we could do that right here. We don't even need to use our slope formula, do we? We can just count. So we're going down 4 and right 2. So rise over run would be -4 over +2 or -2. So the average rate of change on that interval from 0 to 2 is -2. Okay, let's try another graph, graph number 3. So here's another graph that's again not a straight line. We're trying to find the average rate of change from 0 to 3. Here's our point at x equals 0. It's at 0, 2. And then our point at x equals 3 is 3, 5. And we're going to find the slope, and it turns out that our function is a nice line in that interval. So we are once again going to use our rise over run, or we can use the slope formula if you prefer. And so I'm going to do x1, y1, and x2, y2 here. And then I'm doing 5 minus 2 over 3 minus 0. So we get there a 3 over 3, which is 1. And sure enough, if I had looked a little closer at this line, I could have seen that I'm going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So this is a slope of 1. So the average rate of change is 1.